To get started, the very first question is about you want to be a trainer or you want to build a trainer skill set inside of you. So now, option number one, you're doing something or you have not done anything. You have not done anything means you have not learned anything yet, or you have not taken a program, you are not doing any research, nothing. It's just in your desire, in your mind. So now, probably this is the time for you to turn the desire to an action. Because as you know that most of the companies right now are looking for trainer skill set among the managers. And this is one of the skill set companies looking for young professionals and or the one they are thinking about promoting themselves in their career, having trainer mindset too, trainer skill set inside them too. Not only that, there is a big amount of workforce need to be retrained and reskilled because of the workforce transformation all over the world. So a corporate trainer is one of the great career path or as a second career path for having for a lot of professionals as well too. So maybe these are the two great information for you to get motivated, to take the initiative, to start to taking action.